Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it is spring season. We are mowing the lawn constantly, and lawnmower maintenance is one of the things we got to do. So today I'm going to show you guys how to change the oil on the lawnmower. It's super simple. It's not hard at all. Very basic stuff. But first thing you want to do, you want to run the mower for about a minute or two, just to get the oil warmed up a little bit, so it'll flow out easily. So let's do that. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see this, but I don't have much oil left in this thing. Here, let me see if I could. There we go. It's been like a couple of years since I've changed the oil on this thing, but it's a good time. Once it starts to change color to like grayish color, it's time to do it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay guys, so here what you want to do is you want to grab the bottom of your lawnmower and just tilt it over to drain the oil. So you're just gonna do that and let it drain. It's gonna take at least a few minutes for it to drain. Hey guys, in this case I am using a STP motor oil 10W30. You don't need anything exotic. It's just 10W30 should do fine for lawnmowers. Regular motor oil. I read and heard do not use synthetic. So I'm just gonna use a regular motor oil. I'm gonna pour about half a quart in here. Just about half a quart. And check the level, make sure I'm not putting too much oil in there. Alright, so this took about half a quart. If your oil's really dirty like mine, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna run them more for a little bit, then dump it, then put new oil in it. But pretty much that's all you have to do. Leave your comments down below and let me know what you think if you do a different process than this, but it's pretty straightforward. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.